Well, yung banner na lumabas kanina, yung headline na lumabas kanina sa Inquirer, I think that is misleading, to say the very least. First, they are trying again to condition the minds of the public na I stole public funds. Okay, that is not true. At I think that is unfair for me na sabihin nila na meron na trace na pera ni Napoles papunta sa akin. Pero in fact, dun sa contents nung write-up dun sa dyaryo, nakalagay doon, there was no trace na wala namang pera na galing kay Napoles na napunta sa account ko. I never authorized anybody, Mr. Nang, Mr. Yenko, or whoever, I have never authorized anybody to meddle with my PDAF. So whatever transactions that they have, if they have any, I have nothing to do with it.